think the time lapse may be beginning to wind down a bit. It ended up actually being gorgeous. Somewhat subtle, I would say, with some of the colors, but really beautiful. Get you some of those tight shots.
I don't know about subtle.
Well, I'm not wearing my colorblind sunglasses right now, so I left them on my desk in the gallery. It was one of my prime moments. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the Summit Bid YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning three reasons why you might want to pick up the GoPro Hero 10 as opposed to the Hero 9 or upgrade from the Hero 9 to the Hero 10. Not 100% sure what you might be looking for. GoPro has done it. They've made 10 GoPros. And, along with the 10th GoPro also comes the most expensive GoPro that GoPro has ever made. This piece of equipment here is $550, which is pretty steep considering I believe you could pick up a GoPro Hero 9 for, I'll get up-to-date prices on this, but I think for at least $150 less, you can get the GoPro Hero 9. So the question is what do you get for your money with the Hero 10? And I just got the camera, got to take it on one trip. I don't have a ton of experience with it yet, but there are three things that really stand out. They're kind of obvious on the spec sheet / useful in the field. So the first thing is everything you love about GoPro, but the best. GoPros have really excellent internal audio, in my opinion. Very usable, very listen-toable, if you will. It's got great hyper smooth, super hyper smooth boost, however it works. It's magic. I love it. Crush proof. Drop the GoPro. I'm not really concerned about it. But the point is, you get that out of the 9 too. You can just drop the 9. It's no big deal. Oh boy. Am I a little nervous that I maybe cracked something? No, we're fine. We're fine. Hero 10? Oh yeah. No dents. But, definitely all the goodness of GoPro. And that's really nice. The second reason is going to be the slow motion. The slow motion upgrades made on this camera. Now, I've shot some slow motion with the GoPro Hero 9. I'll flash up a clip here now. And the GoPro Hero 9's slow motion, in my opinion, is fairly weak sauce. The 1080-240 just looks like garbage. It doesn't mean it's not fun, but as far as using it, mixing it with other footage goes, not the best plan. And the GoPro Hero 10 has made some big leaps in that regard. You now get 4K 120 frames per second, as well as better quality in all other slow motion modes. This thing even shoots 5.3K in 60p, which I haven't used yet, but I am excited to check that out as well. So the third reason why I think the GoPro Hero 10 may be worth picking up over a Hero 9 definitely comes down to the interface being easier to use. It is the same interface. These are the same general structured cameras. They have the same size. They're extremely similar in most ways. There's some material differences, which I think is kind of cool. The GoPro Hero 10 has some kind of like a different kind of plastic on the top of it. And this action works a lot better as well. Taking this on and off is way easier on the Hero 10. That was such a pain on the Hero 9. Let's see if I can even do this. Oh, I did it. Popped it off. That action's way easier, but even just interacting with the menus in general, switching modes and stuff, it's a big difference. And the reason why I think it's so important, maybe even worth the price of admission to get a Hero 10, is it's going to remove creative barriers in the field. Using a little fumbly camera like this already isn't super easy. I would say that GoPros put quite a bit of effort into kind of figuring out a nice menu system structure, all that kind of stuff. to make it fairly easy, but when you're in the field and you're having to take your gloves off just to change settings, it's really annoying when you're trying to click the screen and nothing's happening. You know, that's the kind of stuff that makes shooting videos harder and less creative and ruins your flow. That's worth quite a bit. You know, in the end, my first impressions on whether or not I'd actually recommend upgrading your Hero 9 to a Hero 10, I think you have to be honest with yourself about how much you use your GoPro. If you use your GoPro all the time, you're shooting your outdoor activities and capturing skiing down mountainsides, and all that's really important to you. You do it on the regular. Upgrading is almost always going to be worth it. The GoPro Hero 10 is much better, much easier of a camera to use. They made important upgrades on it that I think do make it worth it. But if you use your GoPro every now and then, you know, you bought your GoPro Hero 9 because your mind was blown by the new video and you just kind of got caught up in that GoPro Hero 9 hype, you know, and you've used it twice or, you know, 3 times maybe since you got the camera about a year ago, I don't think you should upgrade. If you're coming from a GoPro Hero 7 or a GoPro Hero 8, you do have to factor in the cost of needing to replace your accessories or at least some of your mounts, because they did do a redesigned body for the Hero 9. If you have a Hero 9, all your accessories should work with the Hero 10, which is a nice plus as well. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you got something out of it. I hope you feel like you know whether you need a GoPro Hero 10 or not. Yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure.